isaa cia bilingi wa mauvo.
Wikwationi wakwa kana watinda nesa na kiwuyo cha kukende nesa kufika vau mwandoni wa saa 3:30 cia awiyo ni masama kuonengelele bilingi ni umanyithie kila cha kiteka muthenyani wa umundi muno vaile mbetani itu ya ukamba na ndi yonde mawoni maku yolwa mauvo alangwitha ndi unengelelia ni kwisela ile itatu kenda yo mwitano na ambayo tumani mukuvi vatendevi na ndeno wa mitandao itu yonde ya mikumukanile umundi ni wakwambililia matuko ni nyanya moi ni wa mwanza mwakani wa 2024 na kuyo muthenyani wa oni muika ma nziawa ya Gen Z ni mavani ya kutoa isi ya miati yanio isio ni kiwathukanganio vandi itu ya Kenya kwa oitu ambao kwata amwe atwaratu manengete oitu
alatukumbanisye ni vamwe na
NND elio kama sako kuyumile umbanoni wa public participation ola wetito ni muvea wa malelo. Nzama ya budget mbungeni nene kuweta mbesa sia budget ya mwaka huu ikuolwa. Waki wanza cha Tala Township kwa ya matungulu kukwama kwa ivinda yasa. Na koti wa shanzu kwa mbisi ya kwithukise kwani ya kilingisi cha Shakahola.
bilingi wa mauvo.
Nito rasa sikithuku anzumona ake oloko alula mauvo akwanzia ya meko ni Teri Mwende na tuyambiane kana no NND eli mavika kikaloni kila kiti tuni muvea wa malelo na ukui musini wa masaku kwa samawoni ma NND kukonia muvango wa muvea usu wa kuongela mbesa ili isobasia malelo kana road maintenance levy kuma silingi 18 nginya silingi 25 kwa lita wa petrol na diesel ona uyo vo movisa mamuvea u wa malelo meweta kana metumia mawoni alamo sa kwi andu a eli kutwaisya mawala nyomo Daniel Mwangala no kutuvingo ya bilingi witwa mauvo
kuma mwendoni wa saa 3 masani makioko no anduelela meyumila kikaloni kicha kosa mawoni yulwa muvango wa muvea wa waki wa malelu vanana mama wawisa muvea ni asu alame uvikita kutongwe SSE matinda mavalete simu matena undu wa kwika.
Sasa nimeshangaa na hii simu naona bila kumepangwa mzuri hata mpige hizo picha waone. Sasa walikuwa wamepangia nani? Ni majini wamepangiwa wakuje wajae ama ni mambuzi wamepangiwa waje wakae kwa hiyo paketi kama ni chai imepikwa ikae pale itolewe ende kausu.
NND animalesekana na kutuika mevikite masani makioko mauvisa ama muvea wa malelu serikali ni akati maine konia onavanini namo maisenganiki onamatana thiwa takundu kula kungi.
Department mingi zimepicha kwa sababu zimetandika pesa ya public. Si wanakunywa chai na sisi tumekaa hapa hata hawaulizi sisi. Tukienda kwa public participation zile tunakunywa chai na wao, tunapata hata pesa ya kukuja. Sasa hata hii mata msaa hii si alikuwa anaambia mimi siuite watu. Hebu niambia alikuwa anania saa hii si nilikuwa na yeye pale. Anaambia nikamwambia ukiuliza watu wameendia kama mngesema tuite watu ningeita watu mseme hapa iko mkutano.
Tulipata viti ya nina watu nilikuwa tu mimi na mzee mmoja hapa na vile tumekaa hapa ama officials wa Kera wamekuja saa 5:30 kuja wakakuja wakaeleza vitu wakapata that is not the way the public participation should be done. You are supposed to register first alafu uambiwe after ku register they sit in their seats wanakuwa na presentation with their presenters waambie kile kitu kimewaleta hapa alafu after hapo ndio watu wakisha assemble kila mtu atoe wao present kwanza watueleze hizo vitu zote how they came about it umekuja kufika hapo namna gani ndio na sisi sasa after they have given us everything guidance na zile materials zingine za kutueleza kile kimetuleta hapa ndio tuanze kutoa maoni yetu kama public.
uavo ene ndiane mesa kwinuka meno thatu munene ona mwandiki mama uvo ala mevikite kusiesiso ya kosene maoni mayinuka matena mausungio maniki ene ndima makuyumilia ikaloni kicha kosa maoni.
So my comments are hakuna public participation tumefanya. Tunakuja kupembelezwa tuandike majina, tuko watu wawili, they didn't advertise it. Watu wa transport wanafaa kuwa hapa, matatu sector, watu wa bodaboda, watu wa transport ya trucks. Me, I'm one of them, I represent the trucks, lakini I'm so disappointed na hakuna public participation imefanyika, and the officials are sitting in their seats and they are doing nothing. So my comments are hakuna public participation imefanyika hapa Machakos.
Lakini nimeshangaa mkubwa anakuja anasema mnafanya nini? Tukamuuliza na mbona mesa siko hapa na kitu imetangazwa ya kera ya serikali. Akasema hata ni kama alisema hii sio serikali, sio inafanya kitu ya kusangasha. Wale walikuwa hapa hata wamesikia hiyo. Hiko watu wamesikia bila anaongea.
Daniel Mwongela, Mutongo TV, kumuvasa ngione ya kumbania NND Youth Center musieni gwa Masaku.
Ndio wegeze mutumia ose na womo no ona chai ndana kwata. Nzama ya mbunge ya budget ni yaweta iyithiwa yikita ilovia ila serikali inavathite itumike ndini wa muvango kana mivango ya vata serikali ni budget ni ya mwaka huu ona kutuika President William Ruto unatangaza budget ni kuolwa na shilingi bilioni ya 1.7 mweneke bila wa komiti ya budget mbunge nene mujumbe wa Kiharu Ndindi Nyoro ni waweta kana besa sia kuandika alimu ma GSS on the mengili miongo ina nadhanda tu na kuendesha muvango wa mbolea ya ndevi nini no kana kwa ile uimi iyithiwa ikitwa ona vanini Benjamin Mwaka no kulivote.
Veno vucho kana mivango ya watela serikali ivanie kuyanisha budget ya mwaka huu kwa mona itina President William Ruto kutangaza chumwani kivitu kana budget ni kwithu yolo na shilingi bilioni ya 1.7 mwene kivilonza ya mbunge ya budget Ndindi Nyoro hainene kilo mbunge ni chake cha Kiharu nuaweta kana mivango ya vata kwa metino wa serikali kufikia wigwano kana budget sector nino dhika kitwe.
Wakenya wametuambia tukanyange polepole kiasi. Wakatuambia hii maneno ilikuwa tufanye kazi na ile pesa iko. Na kwa hivyo itabidi budget ambayo tulikuwa tumepitisha tuiangalie iambatane na ile pesa ambayo iko katika nchi. Sio ndio haki? Na katika hiyo mimi nataka nihakikishie Wakenya kwa sababu tutakata budget yetu na kama bilioni 177. There are things that we have already agreed that even as we cut our budget, those issues must remain because they are very important to the bosses of us, our bosses, who are the people of Kenya.
Nuaweta kana vathi wana muvwavwano dhino alanywa kuandika alimu ma junior secondary. Nukwithwa budget ya kuandika alimu a ngilimiongwena na dhandatu on the kwa vamwendhino wa mwaka wa serikali. Dhivo na yithiwa ithiolwa.
Walimu wetu wa JSS wamekuwa wamejitolea sana katika kazi yao. Na wote ambao ni 46,000 wamekuwa interns. Hiyo maneno lazima tusimame nao. Kwa sababu hata tukikata budget pahali kwingine, tunataka haki ya JSS interns idumishwe na wapewe kazi ya permanent and pensionable kwa sababu already wamejitolea kwa muda mrefu sana.
Inge Ndindi Nyoro no athingila kana muvango wa serikali wa mbolea tho wa munini huithwa uikuniko na vanini igwithwa mbesa hii si kitwa kelo ni kisio cha serikali cha kwa ile wemi leu ondu mwana ngetha miundani.
Fertilizer subsidy ya 10 billion bado itakaa kwa sababu tunataka wakulima wote waendelee kulima bila taswishi. Kuna mambo mengine kama ya barabara ambazo zimekwama na hiyo pia tunaangalia.
Chumani kivitu President William Ruto unatangaza budget ya mwaka huu ilo kwa shilingi bilioni ya 1.7 valaka toa miolo tokauta nikana parastato miongona na monza nisiokunzwa na budget movisini manene siyungamwa katwa mivango ingi hilayo ndeva niye kukutana na ngalama yulu ya mekalile.
47 state corporations with overlapping and duplicating functions will be dissolved. The decision to fill the position of Chief Administrative Secretaries is hereby suspended. The number of advisors in government shall be reduced by 50% within the public service with immediate effect. Budget lines providing for the operations of the office of the First Lady, the spouse of the Deputy President, and the Prime Cabinet Secretary will be removed.
Vilingi wa mauvo kumava musini wa Ilovi nye Nito Benjamin Mwakam.
Tuitiana na Beni mwaka tukwatiania na livota witu Lina Mosangi baloko tueleza kana maofisa ma uiti kana clinical officers ne maungamia mukomo ulamethi twe matwaisi kwa ilungu ya midanya miongo kenda na kenda na vala meke ya sai ya wiwano na nzama ya magavana COG kusioka wiyane kuambia kwe muthanyani wa uni ona uyo ovo maofisa ala mabokoma hospitalini ila siungamiwe ni serikali nene maendea na mukomo ngwatanio ya maofisa ama uiti ya kuko yetula mote muvea wa uiti nondo wa kulea kuyandisia mabata maofisa a Lina yutueleze kwa withiani.
Itina wa matuku miongo kenda na kenda makukomea wea kwa maofisa mauiti wenda clinical officers. Yu maofisa a ni meosiokethia weani kwe uni uwakeli. Itina wangwatani ya maofisa a kuungamia mukomo uuna vala manengo moloto wa kusiokethia weani.
We began our strike on 1st of April after 7 days strike notice which was issued on 25th of March. And we have been on strike until today, where now today, by virtue of signing this return to work, we are officially declaring that our strike has come to an end and our members shall resume duty in their respective place of work starting today and not later than 24 hours from the date herein.
We have come to an agreement and we have with us a framework that within around 60 days we'll be able to address the issues that we raised in our strike notice. Then that's a good thing. So what we have is a framework, as I have said, that provides for how we are going to sit down and negotiate, agree on each and every item in the CBA and in the demands that we presented.
So this has come as an opportunity, and I want to say that if I look at the issues that have divided us, they were actually, there's a very thin line because they are issues that we could agree upon. We may not be able to get 100%, at least 99.9% agreement is good enough. On the issue that has been spoken by the chair on the issue of the medical cover for staff. Honestly, the Council of Governors has done very well, the 47 counties. Because out of the 47, only 7 counties are in the process of ensuring that all the health workers are onboarded on some medical scheme that is actually allowable by law.
Na huyo vo maofisa ala madhukuma ama hospitali ni serikali nimekuendea na mkomo kwa kila mwandiki munene ngwatanioni ii George Gibore watu la motemo vya wao iti kwa kulea kuyani sehemu ya mawendekethio la maofisa amekwenda.
I want to thank the Excellency Governors who are here with us because we have really seen commitment from the Council of Governors. But from the Ministry of Health and the people who should actually be showing leadership, we have seen lack of it. And we have not seen that commitment. So the strike continues on the side of the Ministry of Health because there are issues that we have not been able to agree. We do not have a return to work agreement there. But for the Council of Governors, I think today is the last day of our strike. And I believe that we'll be able to cordially agree on all the issues. And I really hope that going forward, we'll be able to work together so that we do not have this kind of strikes.
The clinical officers are very critical medics in our facilities because level 4 all the way down to level 2, those are basically run by clinical officers despite the fact that we still have medical officers who are in charge, and therefore you are a very critical part of our workforce when it comes to the issues of health.
have to do whatever it is that we're doing within the reality of living within our means. But counties are trying. Counties are trying. Even in spite of the challenges of funding, there are counties that are still recruiting healthcare workers to try and take services to the periphery and to do a lot more.
Kutongwatanio magavana ni athuthuria nenzima ende na kuyandikithia kwa Social Health Insurance Fund mavuthisa kana iseso yiti ya ukolania wa koti.
We have experienced a bit of resistance in a few places where our people out there think that the registration that is being done to onboard them is a form of taxing them, and I want to use this platform to ask our people out there to please enlist yourself with the new scheme of medical services, that is the social health insurance, because the NHIF that you've been using is soon going to be a thing of the past.
Uripoti ya Vlingo wa Mauvo Nilina Musangi.
Serikali ya kaunti ya Masaku kwesera muvyani wa Mathau ni atulwa muti yulu wa uthukumi wa kuseuvya kiwanza cha Mathau cha Tala Township kuya matungulu uthukumi ula wambiye mwaka muthelu mwei wa thanthatu na kufika umuthi wia ndwa thela amwema amwika ni maelesea kulia kuyani wakwo ni uthukumi maiweta kana ni vatonyeka ilovia cia mulati ikatumika nai kwithiwa kaunti ino ya Masaku ya vathie milioni 4 cia kwaile kiwanza ki wiyoka itinaoneni wa MCA wa Tala Jackson Ndaka wa kana no kulasimika kuthacha ukule mbungeni ya kaunti ya Masaku kunewa uthei wa kiwanza ki cha kwamie uungua nzea itena umiluboni mutesene livota utuku maisioni iso.
Uni wiola wa kunova mwaka muthelu mwini wa thanthatu matuku 15 itina wa enende kwitwa na kwikiwa umbano wa kuneungane maoni moyo lo thukumi wa kiwanza ki matambia ya kwikiwa ikwati munene kati wa enende ulwa kwalia kiwanza ki na muno mwikala makitumia nthini wa maundu ma Mathau hati kuma ivindani yuva yundungi wa ende ya kiwanzani ki na kithiwa kiwanza ki cha vathiwa ilovia cia kuchailia ateo chandea na kusiokewa na yuva yundu onamwa kuoneka vo ateo muthango la wetetwe kiwanzani kivinda yu
ni kiwanza siana sioka uthaukia ni kiwanza ithita analika tamina kila twetha tweka tukaeka mazoezi maito. We want to ask this madam governor te unuva actually kango tabia uwo tunai na mweke naku na itu nese no tuthukuma na itu nonie mama baambe mwaka wa mbambe itu onie wako zembete muno na wathukuma mawe maingi muno lakini ndo thukuma mawe magakwama chambe tisiaza tukuna ndo la tubikatete za ulike bindani aziaza tikaumia mibuto yate kile na inaza tikone siasa kitumi ndo akwembethu ate isia kiwanza keno chene ndo kilie togiete contractor etwa ba tokatete wakithanga kitu muthanga mutune ba muthango mutune wona kwa mina kuwa kindu gikithage bwanza ngombe baona bai mundu wizila na baikano na kamwe gathauke aba kitune keke baona kana kayuma kakaikela zine ndo agetune ke
yue kiwanza kio na thoke mathoka ba ciana ona izi thoka ba withia pekito aya bacha thoka kito cholo kajal kanombani izi bana gwanu ikala ba kiwanza ki mamyo mina cha ikabino ndo jale kilie ukethe no kithoke kanesa mathithi ya maundu maseoba yue tana ngatongo ikula na mayone na maithi mayekala ilobi na mayekala kwa withia mayo tushukulikela kwanza kini kisio muno kiaka ikiathilekitha kisawa ukethia anaene nthini mokitumia kwiko mitini cioba kwithona ciathi cioba
no chumani kithelu vala MCA wa Tala Jackson Ndaka unawetekana nde kuelewa nikitumikiva kiwanza kikitonya kuungama na itho mane kandalasi ula wanengetoya kusovya kiwanza kinde mina weave wailue vetange na kana kenengwa mundu ungi na weta MCA wa kisiokenu kulasimika kutoa mtatala mbungeni akaunti ya Masaku kunewa utheu wa kiwanza ki
mwini wa na chumani cha karatu ngetha Mathau mausemba ama mubila na kukomanda mistala pasokoni wa Tala wodi wakwa na kila kingi dasia na kuulia serikali wa Masaku nundu chuma kingi ndunguthacia motion bungeni na botabwa kiwanza cha mia kuthela niki contractor ula wanengiwe kethani wa miwe ni wea ebetange kiwanzani poke mundu ungi chuni nethana nena na muika na manduma na chunundu already bill nini motion nini prepared anytime ningumete mbungeni na bandu niete mbungeni na kuulia serikali ya Masaku na kuulia governor kiwanza cha Tala kithele nikenda amwika maitu weza ni mai engage na activities ile itono bindwa mikalile yo na maisha mo
kiwanza kiki thita na miso minene na muno evindani ya mbua thila kiuchoka utuma nava na kwithwa kiratonya utumika na ngi katikati wa skulu na miako ya nendeta mavuloti na kuenda na maite thina
ile iwa zio jaketi watu kithiwa ne bando botinda amana bailio unga bana iwe wa kwadisi ata nenge yu ero ne kula kwa ndie na olo ni thi andu matungulu thi tena wo na ti okulia maundu matala usisie maundu matala soko watala
nondo kwembuga kiwanza chu wethe ya kuma ba ngina ba yake thake kwete kiugo na kithake buga gito chango ko kana gito nza ng'ombe wethe ya baba imundu ulika ba ona nza ng'ombe kwembuga ng'ombe ndio ngama kwa wetha ng'ombe ndio ngama nza ng'ombe kwembuga mundu no kwezela ba tio kwa twa kubo no kwa twa mawau aya kwaiza kiwanza kithio ke twa mabulot aye paike tha kuku 2027 tikaundu bakulingana nondo tuthukumie kwa utu kulia kwa taina ndaya tambe bawe kiwanza ke chatala ukotumine kiwanza ke wamino tumine kiwanza likande ni wa account yaku yonthe na mama weneze we mundu museo lakini ala wigete ground timu athuku
tikulia ngavana kolwe nithie na the kondo we genondo kwa mutongo yula twena nula tu nene nake ngawaza utumana yute kolete okay ground itukate nene nake
ikaya meyumilia kunena kiwanzani kima wetakanane mezi kwani watonyethe wilo vya semu nende itumekana
kitune kejo onda kinogia jetwa ba ne resources cia andu mama tungulu kana ne mbeza sito ithie enende na inetiwe bana cie kwanangika mana we want to ask this madam governor wa Vinya Ndeti waisia etina wakwa etina wa camera ni wene ngali siende na ukua muthanga plotine zebuli ende na kwakwa yani matwikirisie airway kiwanza ke sisi abaya katekenze kie imaje mwe nene nondu angale inene siezela bayi kuya muthanga madam governor wa Vinya Ndeti pa etina pena lelo ro na izela ngale ikathukoma wala sialeta uthukoma kiwanza ke cha kemio sa ubwanike kikoka kikayewa chamina kuyewa ukethia ciana ikatha ukiaba u na muno analika mama tungulu mayoko tha ukiaba mama ndoketi utabia sanzo teta ukobitha na tizi yaza tukuna nundu na kuya kanela teza uligazia sana tukaligazia sana nduko tozobeje kiwanza ke chambe niamba kutungia mubea ni wokie wenze dia sioni yao ziene ba letina sio zienziwe hizo zienziwe ziokazie kiwangi na miomo lakini nundu akwetha bate security mbailu miomo yoka yakua miomo ya mina ukua joge yo na mundu aligaze tethia wilika muamone wethe ya maibu mumbe wa 10 siambie muamone ukethia na ndomina ulikaba
kaundi ne Masako talanyeni toboni mutesia
na inde tutiane na izo cia kutala be umwe wacia 2027 vaikethi wa kuku ndeto cia kuku ni tumeka muno kaunti ya Masako na inde wethukise na andu mena uthatu no twibati kana kiyo choni kikuweka kwa oyitwa ambothi matukani mauvombe ange ni mokete
Mwai Kibaki declare that the Constitution shall be the new Constitution of Kenya.
Kilandi yimia ya mitongo ese otundu katiba kaelete na vemi ya itongo ese ndisio ndekwa vamwe. Veo vathukanu kati wa aki cia mundu na uthasi wa mundu. Weni wisi kivathukanyo ni chau. Mukamba ni mundu mwe muno na ndeto imu wakunikila kwa uliku sithia wasinzwa ni muno. Mundu autavitio kungelitio vivyeni wevithaniti na usekikana wavitwa ni matuku wa sava mundu su etha kwililite kithimini na akamanya no auteye wia. Na nondo ndamanya ikomasana muyanthi muthia uwa twevundise yulu wa mio kilunguni cha usili wina kwa karo wa mutitisa kumilili na ndatika miongo ina cia wiyo va Mutongo TV ngwatanio ya Mukamba.
Dial *811*461# to get Matthew 17 verse 20 as your skiza tune.
Matthew chapter 17 verse 20. For I assure you, if you have faith the size of a mustard seed, you will tell this mountain, move from here to there, and it will move. Nothing will be impossible for you. Amen.
Dial *811*461# to get Matthew 17 verse 20 as your skiza tune.
nothing should come in the way of how you enjoy the game. So ukibet, bet responsibly. Bet na amount unaweza afford. If you need help, speak to a counselor today. Call 0800 724 835.
Ailia une wa mwana waku na Hippo Junior Account. Bingwa Hippo Junior Account umunde ubongene witu ulawipa kupe naku wiyone mbesa ila waiya iyongeleka kwa metuke. Tani ya useo wa uongele kuwa kilungu chaku ya na naundu waiya mbesa yani interest rate opamwena muthenya wako tana kana fande kumia kana withdraw mbesa ute utilwa kendo na inge mbinge thoke obonge witu ulawipa kupe naku kana utukunie simu kwisila noti muonza ile nyanya muonza kenda muonza ile kwa bombe yange.
Musese witu mwendwa Mutongo TV ni avwila ukambani na yakwata nzeve ya luma na watu mevuso ye kufikia mamilioni ma andu alama tosia isi ya kila muthenya kwa kutangasithia biasala waku kana kumanithia alama evasa ila mwendo waku watutia kwisila imanithia sia iku kwa mavombe yange tufikia kwisila nambani ya simu noti imwe ina kenda ile na itatu mwonza kana ututumie email kwisila sales@mutongotv.co.ke. Mutongo TV ni yongwatanio ya mukamba tukwatane twaile biasala situ.
No withukisia Mutongo FM wibala uwe kwisila app ya Mutongo FM na ila itumia bundles ni nivyo lika kwa Google Play Store kana App Store udownload app ya Mutongo FM kana ulike kwa www.mutongofm.co.ke. Mutongo FM ngwataneo ya mukamba.
Kalibu niende na kumanyithia koti wa Shanzu kaunti ya Mombasa ne wambisia iseso ya kukulia makuli ongosi sia yokwani ila yokumbelete mutabanya mwanganga ni Paul Ndenge Mackenzie mukawake Roda Mumbua Maweu na esililwa angi miongo kenda na atatu na ilani ya uwani na siko sia kiumamai ila sia atwaiwe kithekani cha Shakahola kaunti ya Kilifi na kutuma enendebe wa maana atano matiwa nidhayo yu ngaliko ya usikatani na ila ya utetei nimekiasa hii kwa mbesi ya iseso ye valangose ikwithiwa yelesia kila jakitikie kithekani keu valangaleko ya usikatani ya wetakana vena ukose wa kuyana na ula ni vamwana simu visa ila ikuonania undu esililwa a maendio vathukanu na uthasio wa uthaithi na kutoa isesiko sia uwani kwanzia kivathukanio Angelina Musea atinda kotini wa Shanzu na atumbanesia Elivote.
Musili wa makwani kotini wa Shanzu lia juma ni umia mamulo wangaliko usikatani na leo tete ikuiki ya saina kuambisia yesaso ye ya kukulia maukuli na kuwethuki isi ya ngosi siya ikwani ila ye mwikumbelete Paul Ndenge Mackenzie mukawa Roda Mumbua Maweu na esililwa angi miongo kenda na atatu na ila ni ya uwani na kuthio vathukanu na miya ya uthaithi.
The defense be at liberty to further cross-examine the witnesses who will adduce the evidence in the absence of the 27th accused once they have seen the accused as well to resume trial. The further consent is that this court be and is hereby guided by the High Court order dated 11th of June 2024 for the protected witnesses listed therein. Then the last one is the High Court led both parties to make oral opening statements regarding the case hearing.
Kwa nangaliko ya usikatani nika na ukosi ula ukuvikia kuumwa ne ngosi imiongo kenda withiwa wesimo na nziengi siya kimitandao na ila siyetekele itone koti visa wavoma na kuvika ndini wa kisio kila kisanga kicha kitiki na kila nikithekani cha Shakahola kwa sani ya maukosi kivadhukonya na ala ngosi ii kuvikia kumia.
Your Honor, the evidence will reveal how the actions of the accused stem from the same series of events and transactions with other offenses they are facing in different courts, will not be tried here for reasons of jurisdiction, such as murder and manslaughter. And that includes crime against the surviving minors, who are also witnesses in this case. Naturally, therefore, in the presentation of the evidence to support the charges, in this court, we will only request this honorable court to consider and admit those facts as relevant and admissible.
Imwe cia ngusi ikwena ngaliko usikatani ni kuvigia kuelezea undu esililwa kwanzia imwe kana ingi makoniswa na uwani mesi na uwani matesi wa andu mbewa maana atano na undu namba nene ya ngusi iya viki kuvonokea na undu manyama iswe ni esililwa kithekane kiucha Shakahola.
Now, Your Honor, to substantiate the prosecution's case, we will present both direct and circumstantial evidence with around 90 prosecution witnesses. We'll also use numerous pieces of real and documentary evidence, including electronic and other forms of digital evidence.
Makuetekana mena ukusi wa kuyana na ulo kuonania undu esililwa maviki kuthi uvathukoni na uthasi wa uthaithi mesilia na kutuma maana ma nthi matiwa ni thayu ni kumana na kikundi kila maseuviti kwa isito ya kanisa na kumalulutisha nthi kulea kuyanikana kumwona ngai ovama na undu mwesililwa ambaye kwani ni ye na ula ni Paul Nthenge Mackenzie wavangitha cia maundu mamikumukanile na ndambuka na maundu ma usesei nikana kuikithia vaie mundu unamona kwa kumya meya ungito na kale nikana kumavicha nthi kithekane cha Shakahola. Ona uwe volo ya esililwa Cliff Makasembo no watakana ukusi uwina wana ni wakana esililwa na mavitio uwani na maundu ondhela maketikie kithekane cha Shakahola nginya ila koti ukusila kwe musiliwa makwani ukawetekana mena mavitio vala wenda uwona meya uvikie kunga makatendi inu eseso ye na ethi wangaliko ya usikata nindi ethi wana ukusi umuyanu na ula wona netikana esililwa makoniswa na sieko ikoti uwethi wana undungi atio kumalecha.
Under your hands are tied by law. End of this trial, you must come to a determination whether or not that burden of proof was well established by the prosecution. And I wish to reiterate that should they fail to meet that burden, we only have one option: quit the accused persons.
Ona uwe andiki mama ovo maina etikilwa kwithu ovo kavindani kala ngosi kukula swa makuli ungaliko usikata ni yeweta kanani mwamulo ula umetu ni koti munene chino wa muvia wa kusese ya ngosi kana Witness Protection Agency kukuli ya ngosi kumikati wa asiesi ondhe miongo kenda kunengwa usesei gilivote ya vilingi wa mauvo kuma kauntini ya Mombasa nita wa Angelina Mose.
Tutiane na cia Shakahola na tuyoka Masaku ngwatanio yemwe ya amwika kauntini ya Masaku ni akuna serikali ya kaunti hii yati ya Moloto ula unanenganiwe ni serikali wa kuveta uyani andu ala mavigeti miaka ya uthiumwe ya uya nekana kunenga amwika myanya ya uthukuma serikali ni ya Masaku mainena kwisila mwene kivila wo Henok Kivilu ni maweta serikali ya kaunti ya Masaku yithi twendenenga andu aku myanya ya mauya na kutia amwika maende na unyama muno matena mauya.
Ithi nienda kuunga mukono wendekethi wa musumbi wa andu ala onthe mabikise miaka 60 mathiu muye wia nikenda amwika maitu matone ukwata wia nundu tina amwika ingi matone ukwata wia na wikile wathi kusisia wia uyithi abe na atumia na andu aku matone ukuthumuya amwiko kathuma na muno tuke itungwa katika account sito kindu kila kina neni kindu kila amwika menda ukulia nundu ukawithie katika andu ala mema wiani andu aingi mundu na miaka 70 mundu na miaka 80 nukuthukuma na pe mwana youth unamini usoma wina kila kindu na ndana akwata wia kwa utenda ukulia musumbi na serikali yake mate ani sirisungi na ku county government mundu onde wai corrupt with the wodi wola bengi na wakande kwa county the mani cho na county ndulumya inuka tuete we andu atheu matauza mundu wodi bengi ndalumya county nundu nake nongina amemine ira ndwe no tongo imusio ulote thia andu maitu sipitali zi ndawa na tira na kiwu na nzia zitu isewa ndi no ndienda mundu mulusani na mae te andu la mena lusani ithita andu mamuika tika maweta na tima umili na cha keli katika serikali yitu ni bangita mawela metha mema muika mawela metha mema ni nenda ukulia mangaba na onde kindu jambe cha umila makamba onenga muika mawia ona yatha niba mundu wa muika ambao kwata wia nikendo kethia na itu ni twende na nyaka twikagire tumilia andu mamuika magita onena na sasia wia mawia mainewa andu angutenda ukulia mangaba na maitu first priority yambe metha methumbanije kunenga amuika wia nikenda ndino iture nundu tuketha ati atongo imauni na twitwika atongo imauni tiende na twika chionze
alimu ala mekwenda kuthi kusomethia ndi cianza ni matuta muti serikali kwa kuselewa kuma kwa visa ila me kuteta kana ni matungite itina muno ki wia mainena itina wakumba na alimu na alame na myanya ya mawia nthini wa nthi ila simbe ki ukwati ni mateta kana visa ni siosa ivinda yasa muno siyuma na ni ivinda yu serikali imathinikie.
The word of prayer every time and thank God for what He has done for us. For you to be here, there's an opportunity in the US. Okay? He is our attorney, immigration attorney in the US.
Okay, my plea to the Kenyan government is to talk to the people concerned in issuing of the visas to speed up the process, at least so that our teachers can reach on time in the US and start up with the learners as they open for the new whatever semester without any delay. With the visas delay, it is going to really affect our teachers.
According to what we were told that indeed there are delays. And the delays were caused by the fact that some people were trying to present papers that were not legitimate. So on the US side, they had to delay the process on account of that. So some people, yes, the process may delay, but ultimately they will still make their way to the United States. We were given that assurance. Absolutely, yes. If the government can do that, then it will be advantageous to the teachers who have gone through all the processes except that part that is still being a hindrance. So if the government can expedite the process, the teachers will appreciate, I believe.
About the visas, they have delayed so much, and I will beseech the president to please hurry up and ask the ambassadors to issue the visas very fast so that the teachers who have been